Yo, YouTube, welcome back to another video here on the Bitfuyans channel. It's your boy Zay. Y'all tune in to another episode of this channel where we talk about crypto analysis. We speak on Bitcoin, Ethereum, other altcoins. We talk about the S&P 500. We just look at market trends, and we're going to go ahead and dive into another episode. Today is Friday, March 21st, 2025. It's currently 7:47 a.m. It is another beautiful day here in the A. It looks good outside. I just want to say that. You know, springtime. You already know. I think the first official day was yesterday, but you know, that's neither here nor there. Let's go ahead and dive into the charts. Let's see what we working with. Excuse me. All right, so Bitcoin's currently at $84,000 on this Good Friday. It looks like we had a slight pump 2 days ago, which was Wednesday, but most of the gains were taken away as Bitcoin decided to dump and close yesterday on Thursday. We're still in the middle of our range in between 91K and 70K. This has mainly been more so just consolidation for me personally. We did break above this area. We came back down and tested this mid area around was at 84K. Some would say 85K, but right now it looks like we're trading at our old resistance area, which was that 84, 85K area, as we're currently back below it. Today should be interesting. It's going to be key to see how the S&P opens up, and that will give me some type of indication as to how Bitcoin would want to move. On the short term, though, I am seeing us move in somewhat of an uptrend. We are moving up as we created a lower high right here, but we are slowly, boom, creating higher highs, higher high, higher high, higher high currently. But that's on the very, very short time frame, more of an intraday type of span. We would also like to see what price does here, if it's going to get back above this 84K area, or will it continue to drop below. In the meantime, I am more conservative, and so I would like to wait for price to enter here or here before I truly make a big move. If I do see something on the intraday, on the shorter time frame areas within this area right here, I will consider a riskier approach, but my risk would be, you know, lower than what I would if I'm trading at these levels right here, right? Just to be more safe, just to, you know, if I really want to enter the market, if I see something that I like and it follows my trading strategy or my trading plan. So that's all we're looking at right now. If we scroll over here to the S&P, we can see that we are still above, or we're trading above our 5.6K area range. Boom, 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 boom. We are looking like we're holding above it, as we've had now, I think 2-3 days, really 2 days of green candles. It's going to be key to see if we can break this weekly resistance, which looks to be at 5.7K right now. But if we are not, we will see another test of this area, and the more tests of this area in such a short time span will result into a rollover, which is us coming back down looking like this. Boom, we're not breaking above. We could test a couple times here, then we eventually break down. That's how price likes to move, right? So that's that. If we scroll over to Ethereum, we can see that we did get this break above from our support area here at 1.8K. We ultimately came back down. That's why I didn't enter along here, because I saw how price is reacting. We're testing. It's not nothing really confirmed yet, but we are just interacting with our key level. Now, I did say if we get something like a drop here and then a pump up and a test of this area again, then I'll be more inclined to enter here, like enter somewhere around here, allow price to go up here, have my stop loss here, and then we just ride the wave. Boom, this will be my TP1, just based off of the markings that I have currently, right? So that's that. If I see, or if I scroll down to Solana, did I mark this off? Currently we're in a support zone, just from what I've I like where we're at so far. I'm not entering just yet, just because of the overall market direction in which Bitcoin's in, the S&P's in, Ethereum's in. It's just not a good time for me personally to be buying just yet, but it will be very very soon. So just stay in tune on what's going on. I marked off my Doge level as well. Right now we are in that support zone in between 17 cents or 14 cents and 17 cents. Our next range is 22 cents and 24 cents. So this is my range right here where you can dollar cost average. It is a good time to be dollar cost averaging because we're at such great prices. I will say that. But for intraday trading, that's me personally. No, I'm cool. I'm gonna just look back up. There's nothing really too extravagant going on. This is the perfect time where you should be. Dang, sorry, I didn't mean to hit the camera. Where you should be, loading up on your chicken bag. When I say chicken bag, that basically means money. Like you should be loading up, collecting your money, stashing money so you have it to invest in DCA, whereas you dollar cost average and you invest in every day into a platform such as Coinbase, Kraken, just exchanges. That's what it's called. You invest into exchanges. You buy a altcoin, you buy Bitcoin, you buy Ethereum at low prices, and you do it consistently. Say whatever time span you would like it over. You can buy every day, every week, every 2 weeks, every month, every 2 months. However you want to do it. The key to it is you want to be consistent in it. So you eventually, after time, you will be able to see gains just based off the consistency of investing, right? So that's more of a mid-term to long-term investment plan. Day trading, on the other hand, is you're getting in for that day, you're making profit for that day, you're moving on to the next day. It's more riskier, it's more fast-paced, it's more on the charts for that day. I'm looking to see if I can find anything. Boom, I'm in. Boom, I'm out. Simple, right? So that's just where we at today. We might see something, we might not, but I haven't traded all week. I don't even think I really traded last week. No, I did trade last week. I was in a sale when I caught up here, and I saw that price was slowly coming up, so I just took profit. But that's really it, because the market's not giving me anything. So the best thing to do as you learn how to become a true investor, true trader, if the market doesn't give you nothing, go on about your business, dive into your hobby, whatever it is that you do, focus on that, right? That's really all that I got for today. It's been a pleasure to drop another video for y'all. Drop another video for y'all, and I'm gonna continue doing what I do, and that's just dropping content, being consistent, Monday through Friday, around this time every morning. All right, I'm gone. Y'all be blessed.